Yo, okay, so I've been having this issue where the bike runs, like it starts great, runs great, and then after a certain amount of time, and after I've been giving it a bit, it'll start to like choke out in the high RPMs, so we'll see if we can make that happen. And it's not because I'm out of gas. And then yeah, if I restart the bike, the problem totally goes away for a certain amount of time. I can even, while riding, do a quick boom and then suddenly have instant power. So let's see what we shall see. So like I said, when you're first starting out, like, it's awesome and it's got so much power. Idle's great. Any of the blipping, any of the popping is all to do with the exhaust. Just a couple of Danmoto slip-ons. But yeah, after a bit it starts to be funny.